Now children, in this video I am taking exercise 1.1 chapter 1 and question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 I have done in my previous videos. Now in this question, insert commas and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. The numbers are given and we have to first insert the commas and then we have to write the numbers according to Indian system of numeration. Now according to Indian system of numeration, how do we insert the commas? First comma we insert after first 3 digits, then next comma after 2 digits, then again next comma after 2 digits. First comma after 3 digits and next commas after 2 digits we insert. Now we will name this number. So this is ones place according to Indian system of numeration. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, then thousand place. This is 10,000, thousand and up to 10,000. The places are same in Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now the places will change. Here it is after 10,000 it is lakh, then 10 lakh, then the last one is crore. In international system of numeration, after 10,000 is 100,000. Then after 100,000, here it will be million, then 10 million. Now we will see. At crore place, the digit is 8, so we will write it as 8 crore. Now the number at lakh and 10 lakh place is 75. So we will write 75 lakh. Then the number at 1000 and 10,000 place is 95. So we will write 95,000. Then the digit at 100 place is 7. So we will write it 700. Then the number formed by the last 2 digits is 62. So we will write in the last 62. So number is 8 crore 75 lakh 95,000 762. Now we will take B part of this question. Now B part is eight, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. Now first of all we will insert commas. First comma after first 3 digits, next comma after 2 digits. Now only 2 digits are left, so we will not put any comma here. Now we will check the places. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, and this is 10 lakh. It is up to 10 lakh. So how we will write? At lakh and 10 lakh place the number is 85. So we will write 85 lakh. Then the number at 1000 and 10,000 place is 46,000. That the number at 100 place is 2, so 200. Then the number formed by last 2 digits is 83, so in the last 83. Now next part is C part. And the C part is 999000 and then it is 46. So according to Indian system of numeration, first comma after 3 digits, then next commas after 2 digits, right? So we have put the commas after this: ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh, then last one is crore. So here at crore place the digit is 9. So we will write here 9 crore. Then the number at lakh and 10 lakh place is 99. So 99 lakh. 99 lakh. That at 1000 place and 10,000 place nothing is there, only 0. So we will write nothing. At 100 place also 0. So we will write nothing. In the last 46 is given, 46 number. So what we will write? 9 crore 99 lakh 46. So this is a large number but the name is short. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Now the last part is, that is D part. Nine 98432 701. So first comma after 3 digits, next commas after 2 digits according to Indian system of numeration. Now here the first place is ones place, as you all know. Second is tens place. Third is 100 place. Fourth is 1000 place. Next is 10,000 place. Then lakh. Then after this is 10 lakh. Then crore. So children, at crore place the digit is 9. So we will write 9 crore. Then at lakh and 10 lakh place the number is 84. So we will write 84 lakh. Then the digit is 1000 and 10,000 place 2 3 and the number formed by these two digits is 32. That means 32,000. 32,000. 32,000 and a digit as 100 place is 7. So 700. And at tens place the digit is 0. At ones place the digit is 1. So we will write here 701. So number is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. So we have completed question number 3 of exercise 1.1 chapter 1. In next video I will take question number 4. Thank you.